Howdy y'all, Fast Forward 289, welcome back. In this video, we're going to be working on my 1976 Ford truck again, but this time we're going to be working on those aftermarket 3-pod gauges that I installed underneath the dash in a previous video. So let me show you what we're going to be doing, and let's go ahead and jump into it and get started. Okay, so here's the dash of my truck. Here's those 3-pod gauges that I was talking about. And what we're going to be doing is improving the lighting, or changing the lighting. Right now, they just light up regular old white. Nothing special, you know, kind of plain. And I had debated on leaving it like that because if you notice, my CB lights up white and then my fog lights when they're on is orange light. I thought about just leaving everything underneath the dash like that, but I got something I want to try just to see if I like it. If I don't like it, it's an easy install to uninstall. So if I don't like it, I can just simply take it out. And of course, what I'm talking about is these right here. These are just filament filters or light filters, basically. I got them off Amazon. Here's what they are called, quantity of 5. There's the name, brand, part number, anything you might need for it. But they simply just slide over your pre-existing bulb, and then it will change your bulb from white to green, theoretically, to match the rest of my dash lights. So we're going to give it a try and see how they go. Okay, so it's literally as simple as, I've already done the battery meter gauge, so now we're going to do the oil pressure gauge. It is literally as simple as pull out your light bulb and then pull out the light, because it's just easier to put it on with the bulb removed. Now we're going to take out one of our filters here, and you literally do nothing more than just slide this over the bulb like so. Work it down. You can kind of pull it and stretch it a little bit. It's kind of like a bulb condom in a way. Just work it over. It's a piece of rubber is literally all it is. And now we're good to go. Put it back in the socket and put it back in the gauge. Push the bulb back up in there. And then simply just put the bulb back in the hole. So after many failed attempts, I'm up underneath the dash because I just couldn't really get to it. I couldn't feel where the bulb needs to go from up top. So now I'm under here looking for the hole to put it back in. Sometimes to work with truck, you have to become one with truck. So and bam, now we're good to go. Okay, so just to show you a before and after, I got 2 out of 3 done. Obviously, you can't really tell because it ain't dark out here yet, but you can see how now these 2 are lit up green, and that one is still obviously lit up white. So I'm gonna get the 3rd one done, and when it gets dark, I'll come back and shoot a video to show you how it actually looks at night, matching the dash lights. Nice and green now. They match the original dash lights pretty good. It's hard to pick up on camera, but they do look good. They look a lot better in person than they do on camera. So. Alrighty guys, well, that's it. Video's done. I'm gonna try that for a while and leave it for now. If I decide I like that white look better, then I'm gonna just pull the filters back off, or it might, with the heat of the bulb, because these are incandescent bulbs, they might actually end up melting that plastic to the bulb and you can't remove it. I don't know yet, obviously. So I just have to wait and see. If you can't move the filter, it's just simple as just buying another bulb. They're cheap enough. I think they're $194 for that. So it's simple, easy bulb to buy. You know, replace it, pull it out, plug the new one in, you're done, good to go. So anyway, that's it. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. If you're not subscribed, consider subscribing. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them in the drop box down below, and I'll get back to you as always. And that's all there is for this one. So as always, thank y'all for watching. Until next time, I'll see you in the next one. Take care.